Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the Xiaomi Watch S3. This smartwatch is packed with features designed to enhance your fitness tracking and lifestyle. Let's take a closer look. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description, and you can buy this watch at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. First, let's talk about the design and dimensions of the Xiaomi Watch S3. It features a sleek and modern design with dimensions of 47mm x 47mm x 12mm, making it comfortable to wear on your wrist throughout the day. And at just 44 grams without the strap, it's incredibly lightweight, so you'll hardly notice it's there. The Xiaomi Watch S3 boasts a vibrant 1.43-inch AMOLED display, delivering crisp and clear visuals. With a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and an impressive 326 ppi, the display is sharp and detailed, making it easy to read notifications, track your workouts, and more. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi Watch S3 is its adjustable strap length, ranging from 140mm to 210mm. This ensures a comfortable and secure fit for a wide range of wrist sizes, so you can wear it with confidence during your daily activities. Now let's talk about durability. The Xiaomi Watch S3 is water-resistant up to 5 ATM, allowing you to wear it while swimming, showering, or even in the rain without worry. It's designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Moving on to sensors, the Xiaomi Watch S3 is equipped with a range of advanced sensors. It features a heart rate sensor with a blood oxygen sensor, providing comprehensive health tracking data. Additionally, it includes an accelerometer, gyroscope, electronic compass, barometer sensor, and ambient light sensor, offering a wealth of information for fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Watch S3 is a feature-packed smartwatch that delivers on both style and functionality. With its sleek design, vibrant display, water resistance, and advanced sensors, it's a great companion for anyone looking to track their fitness and stay connected on the go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned.